Hello guys, I'm here. Today we're gonna play Easy Parkour Obby Admin Edition. Because of glitching again. Oh my god, no. Leave a like for free admin update. Come on. Please, no. Kill all, skip, finish. Okay. We're gonna just do it what I say you. Okay. Because yeah, do not fall. If you fall, I will just be upset. I want, please, I will be uploaded. Can I? Oh, I can. Can I touch it? Oh, I can't. I can't touch it. Okay, let's go. So many. Ow. We're gonna finish this obby. Okay, sure. Can I? Okay, I need Robux. No, I don't have money. Oh, I should do like this. Wait, let me just pick blue. Blue is our favorite. I want green. Okay. Let's go. This one is disappear. Avatar. Gonna skip walking. I'm itchy, so I'm not gonna itchy. Why I'm itchy? Wow! Wow! Wow, this no easy obby. Okay. We're gonna finish this obby. Why there's a dog there? Are you a noob? Oh, why there's dog? Okay, let's go. First of the go. Let's go. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Yes, I did fall. Oh no, it's so hard. But it's too easy. Easy obby. Easy but really. Shut up, dog, you ugly freak. Yes, I have this one. Hey, get out. Get over here. Take it. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. Yay, I lied. Yay. Yay, you stupid dog. Why did you do? How? You are so dumb. Haha, I lied. Why am I a hacker? Hey! Hey! That's not funny. That's not funny, brother. Why? Why did you do that? How? How did you do this? How? Hey! Why did you laugh? Stop. Can you stop? Oh my god. I just made a new because of this one. Don't call me a hacker, doggy. Stop you. I don't care. You ugly little freak. You ugly dog. You're so silly old man. Hey, get out. Did someone comment me? Why? Hey, stop! You stop!
Lol.
Hey, don't call me lol. I just comment it. Yo! Are you done? Please. Just don't comment me. If you stop comment me, I will send you to Ohio. Please. Please, I'm not... Huh, bro? You're so silly. You're so silly. Yes, let's go. My touch. Oh, I did die. Why? What? No! I accidentally fall, guys. I accidentally fall. I got one fall. If I fall, I will be upset. No! My brain hurts. So that's okay. Why does my... Haha, you cannot chase me again. Don't call me a hacker, bro. Are you a sassy old man? Don't call me a hacker. Oh no. I got one fall, guys. I got one fall. We're gonna be easy. Live and like for free and the main update. 98, 99. Yes! Yes, we finished this one. Yes! Admin. Yes. My favorite color is green. This one's blue. This one's green. Okay. Wow, this is so easy, guys. Guys, like and subscribe. If you like this, they will guys, this is the easy mode. What I have done it. So yeah, this is so easy. Why? Okay. So, okay. Next stage. Wow. Medium. Okay. Why? So easy. Obby. This one is hard. This one. Wait. Okay. Okay. What? Do like this. Also do like this. Oh, we're having OB medium. Okay, we're sure gonna finish this OB, guys. We're gonna finish this OB. This don't is OB. Easy. Wow, good easy. Wow, easy. Wow, easy. Wow, easy. Wow, easy. Yes! So many easy. What the? Why? I'm so... Why? I can't. Why? So guys, like and subscribe, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye.